So now we're putting in the bottom wall plates back in. So they'll be going along the edges for the walls to sit into and then sit against the top. Okay. So now we are going to be starting to put in the walls. We're going to start with the switch boxes up on the back wall and then probably start working with the doors and everything. So okay, so we need to put these rubber strips up along the top there just before we put the walls in. So now we're going to be installing the center walls. So we need to install the wall strips on the bottom. We already have one in place. They just sit back to back to create two separate rooms. So just before you actually put the second wall in, right next to this other one, you need to infill the gap down through here so it's got an air seal. So that's what the rubber strip is for, and I'll show you how it's done. Now we have the rubber strip in place, we can start installing the panels back into the wall. So last wall assembly now, we're going to put it on. Here we go. Okay, so we are going to be installing the rubber strip that sits in between all of these. It sits down in through there. So to start off with, we need to remove these and then start putting them down inside. Mite's going to start down the bottom down there, and we're going to continue all the way up. Okay, this on top here. See, it needs to be whacked down a bit further, so you can see this hole through the side here. So these ones here have to be whacked down a bit further. So it comes down and around like that. Up and around. This here will close together tighter when you put these back together. Okay. So work your way along. Okay, so now we got to this end here. We'll take that bracket off and we'll repeat the process back down. So now we've done the outside, done all the gaps in between. We're going to fill in the gaps in the floor. So we'll start at both ends, then we'll move to the middle and spread them both out.